Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're ready to open the Giulia fuel door. First, park safely, turn the engine off, and unlock the car. You need interior access. Locate the fuel door release. Some Giulia models use a small lever or button near the driver's seat. Others use the key fob fuel icon button. Once you've identified which method your car uses, make the first actionable move now. Press that button or pull the lever. This initiates the latch mechanism, so you can proceed to the exterior step. You've triggered the release. Next, walk to the right rear quarter where the fuel door sits and look for the small spring-open gap. If you use the key fob, press the fuel icon and listen for the latch click before touching the door. Once there, press the outer edge gently or pull on the small lip to swing it open. Avoid prying. If the latch didn't respond, use trunk access or fold the rear seat to reach the manual release cable. This is a common middle step for stuck latches. With the door open, grab the cap and turn counterclockwise to remove. You'll usually hear a pressure hiss. This is normal. Refuel is needed, then reinstall the cap and turn until you hear a definitive click to ensure sealing. Close the fuel door until it latches. If the door or cap won't open or latch, don't force it. Instead, try the trunk manual release to access the cable, check related fuses, and if unresolved, schedule dealer service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.